Now, Ayushi is a finance graduate, and she feels that this is not the right time to invest. She expects mean reversion, and she wants to know if her opinion is correct.
Uh, I don't know. And yes, there is markets are cyclical. Things revert to mean, but there are a lot of exceptions to this. We
Okay.
have seen a phase in the market when things look very expensive and they remain expensive for a while and they become even more expensive. Also, what I was saying in my previous answer, that mean reversion on the Sensex might be a possibility, but that doesn't mean there has been situation when the market has fallen by 30%, and there is another fund which has a great fund which has fallen just by 10%. That I think they revert to mean, but the fund which has fallen only 10%, and when the market recovers or when the market goes up again, the other fund which fell only 10%, the market went up by 20% again, and that fund went up by 40%. So there can be a phase. I agree that if markets fall, markets look expensive, but I don't know when they will correct. The dynamics are extremely favorable for the market. A lot of investors, foreign investors, domestic investor, mutual fund investor, the mutual fund Sahi Hai campaign is all having an impact. The decline in interest rate, the fall of gold, the fall of real estate. I think these are too big, these are big drivers. So market may not fall even if they look expensive, or they should revert to mean. Then there are funds which will be an exception to the rule. There are funds which will crumble. So selectivity is what matters, and I think you don't have a control on this. When the markets will correct, you will not. You will be too scared it's to catching a falling knife.
True.
That's just as hard. So develop a plan and stick to it.